I just bought and assembled this shelf at home yesterday and brought it in to use as storage for my teacher group table. So I just made this anchor chart. We're going to start building our reading stamina. So however minutes they read quietly in their seats, I fill in that many minutes and we try to build that up every day. I also made this anchor chart that compares fiction and nonfiction texts. So I always try to get students to choose both types of texts when they bookshop. So I'm going to hole punch all their clever login cards and keep it on this bumper ring because they end up losing it sometimes and I like to leave it if I ever have a sub. So these are our two center activities for today. We're going to read The Three Little Pigs and they're going to practice putting the pictures in order. And then this is a math center where they'll be cutting out and gluing the numbers that make 5, 6, and 7. So I'm reading over my plans for today. I'm going to start doing some more assessments today. They're going to do their 100 to 120 number writing assessment today. So we're going to start computers today if they fix our Wi-Fi problem. So I'm going to label these buckets and that's where they're going to keep their headphones and clever patches. So these are all labeled. We're gonna go ahead and sort them today, and if they fix our Wi-Fi, because it's not working right now, we'll get started on computers today. And I finally bought the cardstock paper I'm going to use up there. I'm probably gonna do 3 rows of 8. Hopefully it fits. Haven't decided which colors yet. Probably gonna go with the cream, mint, and light blue. So we did our letter writing assessment today. And I am writing down their scores, trying to keep a somewhat organized grade book this year. So this is where I keep all of the students' data and assessments and white cards. So I'm going to sort through and organize what we did so far. So I'm trying to finally set this up. I feel like I'm gonna have to move the well work words to the top so I have more space down here for the cardstock. So I'm going to start sending these monthly newsletters and calendars. So I just edited the dates from last year. And here's our calendar. So I will post these on Class Dojo and also send hard copies in their take-home folders at the beginning of the month. So I came up with some new center ideas for SiteWords to make it more interactive and less worksheets. So I'm gonna have a center where I'm gonna write the letters on the linking cues and they have to build the word. I'm gonna do one with magnet letters and also with these hashtag pieces. I'm gonna have them write the word, build the word, and then use the word in a sentence. So I wasn't gonna get a planner this year because I always end up just using the digital one. But I saw this one at Michael's and I really liked it. And it was on sale for 50% off. So this is what the inside looks like. There's a weekly planning page and a monthly calendar. It also has this checklist that I like to use for homework. So this is something I thought of last year because we really need to practice with handwriting. We would watch this video for each letter,
First, let's learn uppercase,
and it will show you how to write the letters. So we would practice on here, and we would say the top line is the hat line, the middle is the belt line, the last one's the shoe line. And then whichever letter we work on that day, we would also complete that page in our handwriting workbook. So they would practice tracing, writing, finding the letter, coloring the letter. So this is coloring practice. And then also coloring the pictures that start with that letter. So it will be apple, ambulance, and astronaut for A. So this really helped last year, so I'm hoping it will be helpful this year too. So I just made my new class for Epic. This is a reading program where students can go on and listen to stories or read on their own, and they also have quizzes at the end. So I send out this information so students can use it at home, but it only works during like school hours, which are from like 7:30 to 3:30. So the students that need to correct something, I'm putting it in their classwork folders. So I made new name tags for my students to match our theme. So I'm going to use these Velcro dots and use them to paste it onto their pencil boxes. And today for our morning meeting, we're gonna do something I did last year. So basically, I pass out cards to each student. They either get a number or an addition sentence. I do have one for subtraction, but today we're doing addition. So they need to try to find a partner that has the answer to their problem or that has the problem to their answer. So it gets them talking, thinking about math, and I'm gonna have each pair share out how they became partners. So we're gonna do this sorting activity today. So I'm gonna make some letters, words, and sentences on these sentence strips and have the students help me sort them. So I just wrote all the letters, words, and sentences we're going to sort on the anchor chart to cut them out now. So I laid all these out on the carpet and had the students sort them for me. Then they came up and filled out this poster for me. Then on the whiteboards, they helped me write letters, words, and then sentences. And I was originally gonna have them do this worksheet, but we ran out of time, so we'll do this on Monday.